Okay, so this is page 63, problem number 17, and we are doing trihybrid crosses, showing the phenotype ratios only, and we're using our branch line diagrams to do this. With part B, I'm going to ask you again to look at it one trait at a time. Big A, little a, crossed with little a, little a. If you were to do a Punnett square for that, what would you get? You'd end up having half of the offspring having the dominant trait and half the recessive trait. So I would write it like this, 1/2, and I like to say a big A, if they're all going to be big A, little a's in this case, but since we're just doing the phenotype ratio, it really doesn't matter. You could say big A question mark. They're going to have the dominant trait. And we're going to have 1/2 will all be little a, the recessive trait. Okay. Then the next piece is big B, crossed with big B, big B. We know all of these offspring will then be big B, big B. That's the only thing they can be. But then for the next part, we have both for C, for trait C, big C, little c, both of the parents are a big C, little c. And what would you tend to see? Again, it's this traditional 3/4 dominant trait, 1/4 recessive trait. So for each of these, we have to branch off. 3/4, big C something, dominant, 1/4 recessive. And that will happen with this group too. Out of all of the ones that are recessive for little a, 3/4 will be big C, question mark. They'll have the dominant trait, and 1/4 will have the recessive trait, little c, little c. And that means in the end, if we multiply going across, we get 3/8 big A, big B, big C, something. Okay? And multiply going across, 1/2 times, of course this is just like 1. 1 times 1/4 gives me 1 out of 8, big A, big B, little c, little c. You continue to multiply going across, and you get 1/2 times 3/4. We're going to go ahead and get 3 out of 8, little a, big B, big C, question mark, something. We multiply going across again, 1/2 times 1/4, you'll get 1/8, little a, big B, little c, little c. And that is the ratio, phenotype ratio, we would expect to see from this pair of parents. Now, for part C of this, you've already seen this before. Go back and look at your big ideas notes. You're going to see an example just like this, where we did a branched diagram where it was a big A, big B, big C, little c, crossed with another parent who is also heterozygous for all of those. So I'm asking for part C for you to reference your notes in this nice diagram that tells you how to do this problem.